Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most highly welcome. So how are you doing and how is your day? So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a very simple way that you can actually improve your eyesight, get those white looking eyes and avoid some problems. Now, some of the very simple everyday thing that you can actually avoid is too much of stress, not sleeping at night, and some very bad habits. Okay, now you have to avoid this, and you have to also use this particular method that I'm going to be showing you, and it's going to help you improve your eye a whole lot. Okay, so this is actually very natural, very effective, and I'm sure you are going to love it. Okay, do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share if you love the video. So let's go. To improve your eyesight, so gonna be needing cucumber, and watch this video to the end, yes, so you could see all of the full benefits of using this ingredient to remove those eyesight problems, to increase your eyesight, remove redness and all of that. Yeah, so I'm gonna be slicing the cucumber in tiny pieces, very tiny pieces. So now, one simple way in which you can actually calm the redness of your eye is to grab this cucumber and then you refrigerate it, put it inside the fridge for it to be very, very, very cold. Now when it has cold, then you use it. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna be using my hand, but I should have used my eye. Yeah, you use it and put it over your eye this way, just like they used to do in the spa. Okay, is so that it could calm the redness of the eye and have that white eye. You put it on your eye for like 5 to 10 minutes. Just lay down and let it sit there, let the coolness and the juice of this cucumber get into your eye. It's gonna be amazing and it's going to actually work very well. Now let me show you another way in which you are going to achieve that. Yeah, okay, so what you do is that you have to blend this cucumber. Let me take enough so it could actually blend out. Okay, so do not put water because the juice is basically enough. Okay, so after that you blend. After blending, then we're gonna be juicing out. Okay guys, so this is the cucumber juice. Okay, blended and juiced out. Now what you're gonna be needing here is cotton wool, and what you do here is that you're going to go refrigerate this cucumber juice. You can actually put it in a little container where you can access it every morning. Okay, you refrigerate it very well, let it be very, very cool. Now what you do is that you're going to grab your cotton wool, and then after you've actually refrigerated it and bring it out, you put your cotton wool into your chilled cucumber, and then you place it onto your eye. I should have used my eye, but for now let's do it this way. Yeah, you place it onto your eye. You've actually been seeing how they do it in the spa basically. Okay, so you put the second cotton wool, Make sure that the cucumber juice is actually very chill. Now while you place it, you have to close your eyes, okay? You're not going to allow the cucumber juice get into your eyes. It's just when you close your eye, then you place this onto your eye. Now this is going to be superb. Now you place this for like 10-15 minutes, or as long as you want to stay, okay, or as long as this cotton will continue to chill your eye. Okay, now when you do this for just 5 days, your eye is going to be improved, the redness is going to calm down, and you are going to be really loving it. Okay, so basically that's how you're going to do. Now let me show you another method in which you're going to be, you know, doing that. Yeah, you're gonna be needing some milk. Okay, so this is milk, and what you do here is that you're going to go refrigerate this milk. Refrigerate it very well, let it be very chill, very cold, and let it be something that you can actually endure. And you need a cotton wool. Okay, this is actually the step 2 of it. You can try any of this method that I'm going to be showing you in this video basically. Okay, so you get your cotton wool, you dip it into your milk. Okay, and trust me guys, when you do this, the wrinkles on your eye is going to disappear. You dip it in, just the milk, you dip it in, and then you place it over your eye. Don't put it inside of your eye. Oh, don't put it inside of your eye, just place it on your eye. Close your eyes and place this cold milk on your eye. Okay, place it like that. Let the cotton wool absorb a whole lot of this juice, and then you place it onto your eye this way. Okay, so after you place this, you would have to hold on for at least 10 to 15 minutes while lying down and just meditating how to make a whole lot of money. And then this is actually going to help to improve your eye, remove redness, and remove all of those stuff, all of those little tiny worms actually eating up your eyes and stuff. Okay, this is actually, the coolness of it is going to disturb it. Okay, so you have to make sure that the milk is very chilled. Okay, but as it is, it's chilling on my hand, although I didn't refrigerate this, but it's still chilling on my hand right now. Now the eye area is more sensitive than the hand, so it's going to be very chill on your eye. Don't put it inside of your eye, just close your eyes and let the coolness go down, and let the milk work on your skin. It will actually get into your skin, remove tiredness of eyes, remove wrinkles, and your eye is going to get lightened with this. Okay, so let me show you another method in which you're going to achieve this also. So you're going to be needing to use aloe vera. Okay, so you're going to be needing this natural aloe vera. You don't need to use the processed aloe vera. You cut your aloe vera in small pieces. And then you would be preparing it. You'd have to either blend it or you crate it, but I love to crate mine because it's actually not much to blend. If I blend it, everything is gonna be gone. So I'm going to crate it and extract the juice. Okay, so after you crate or blend your aloe vera, So this is what you're going to be having. So what you do is that you also go to refrigerate this aloe vera. Let it be very, very chill. Okay, you can actually, you know, look for something to stir it really well. Now the more you stir, the more the sliminess is going to cut off. Okay, so it will enable you actually use it on your eye area. Okay, so when it is chill, refrigerate it for like 30 minutes. When it is super duper chill, you get a cotton wool, basically just like the other ones. You just dip this into your aloe vera. Dip this into your aloe vera, cut the sliminess, and then you take the sliminess and then you apply it on your eye area. Okay, you don't actually put it in your eye, apply it on your eye area like this. Man, this is going to be really, really chilling. Make sure it slips on your eye and cover everywhere. Cover up to your eyebrow, yeah, eyebrow, and cover up to your chin, your beauty bone area, or your cheekbone. Yeah, your cheekbone, not beauty bone. Okay, so you cover it up this way. Okay, you leave it there for like 10 to 15 minutes, just like the other ones. Okay, when you leave it there like that, it's going to get into your skin, and the aloe vera is going to help glow your skin. You can decide to just take the rest of the aloe vera. While you wait, you just apply it all over your face while you wait for this thing to work on your eyes. When you apply it all over your face like this, then you can just relax, wait, sing a song to praise the Lord, or you can meditate on the business you're gonna do to be a millionaire. But this thing is working on in your eyes and clearing up your eyes and improving it a whole lot. So after that, then you can actually remove it. Okay, and the last method is this. It's going to be a cold water or ice. Okay, but I have a cold water here. I don't have ice right now because there is actually no stable light to freeze some ice. Okay, but this water is very, very cold. So in the absence of all of that, if you don't have all of those ingredients, which is actually very important, you have to get them. You can get a very cold water or ice, and then you put your cotton wool into it, and then you put it over your eye. Oh my god, it's going to be so cooling, so chilling. Okay, you put it that way and put it over your eye, just like that. Okay, while you wait, you can actually take this cold water, dab it on your skin, dab it on your face. It's going to calm the redness of your face, and it's going to help to close up pores, and it's going to help to remove excessive oil also. So that's it, guys. Any of those ones you can try. It is very, very ideal. Just give it a go, give it a try, and you're gonna be loving it. Okay, you can use either of them, or you can actually try them one after the other. They are actually very, very, very effective, and I'm sure you're gonna be loving it because it is effective. Yeah, there is no two ways about it. Okay, but you have to also avoid some bad habits that is actually causing your eye to get red. Okay, so having said all of that, I'll see you in my next video. Please give me a like if you do love the video, subscribe, share the video, and leave your comment, and I'll see you again. Bye, guys.